Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Tablet 10 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. After that we can tap to advanced, and if developer options activated on your device you will see this section here. And now just to hide them you should click here only once on this switcher. So after that all of the options they are blocked, as you can see, and when we'll go back to the system section we can see that the developer options section is gone automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.